Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the spring Pusheen box. So this is a subscription service that comes every single season. I always unbox mine, so I'll have the playlist up above. I'm a little concerned about this one because the box seems pretty small, smaller than normal. So I've always loved Pusheen box. Their quality, for the most part, remains the same. I think it's just a nature of a subscription service. If you're subscribed from the very beginning, that some months or some seasons are just going to be better than others by nature. Plus, it's very subjective. I haven't been the most pleased with the last couple boxes, so I'm a little worried about this one. But this is the Pusheen box for spring, and he's wearing a little cap, or she. I keep saying he. If I do that in this video, apologies. I just keep thinking Pusheen's a boy. I don't know what's wrong with me. But we're gonna open it up. I have not spoiled myself on this box for once. And here we have it. So it looks a little bit sporty. The little thing says out of office, and it's Pusheen with sunglasses. This is the pop vinyl figure. This is Pusheen with the cap on and some roller skates. So this is really cute. Every box comes with an exclusive pop vinyl. Next thing we have, this is the item I was talking about that I don't like, is a Pusheen fanny pack. And let's see what it says here. Keep your essentials close by in this versatile bag that can be worn around your waist or around your shoulder. I can't stand bags like this. I know Lou created the Sanrio one a couple months ago. Had one of these, plus it just feels kind of cheap. I don't know, this is not my style, so I'm gonna give this away. Okay, I did spoil myself on this one, I forgot. The Pusheen box Instagram always has like a sneak peek spoiler for the month. So this is a magnetic key holder. So you hang this on your wall with the screws, I think. So you hang this on your wall and let the magnets keep keys or other metal items in place at the bottom of the holder. So this is like a really cute house decor type of item. So here it is. And I guess there's magnets in here. So I'll post a picture of what that's supposed to look like. Moving on to the next item. It is a plushie. So it's the same size as a couple months ago, but this one has a little hoodie. So it says here, this exclusive Pusheen box plush features Pusheen wearing a matching jacket. Cute. Oh, okay. I see where they're going with this. Let's just keep going though. So this next item is kind of cute. This is a wooden block calendar. So it's the ones that come with the little blocks, and each one has a number, and every day you just flip it over. This is adorable, and it'll look good on a desk or cubicle. We have some Pusheen crew socks. These are a baby pink color with some white stripes at the top. Pretty. This is adorable. So we have a Pusheen yoga towel. This microfiber towel is absorbent and quick drying, perfect for your next yoga or fitness class. So yeah, it's the type of thing that you take with you to like wipe your face or wipe the sweat off. Not that I go to the gym, but you know. Oh, it's pretty big too. Okay, so it's definitely bigger than I expected. So this is nice. This is a nice quality item. I like it. Okay, so we have a Pusheen jump rope. I can't really jump rope. I mean, the older I've gotten, the more closer I've gotten to actually using a jump rope, but I've never been able to. Like, I don't have that coordination maybe as a child. But this is cute. I just know that I'm not going to get any use out of it, honestly. So I'm going to give that away too. And then last but not least, this is I think what they meant when they said that the little plushie was matching. Because this right here is, it feels like a raincoat. Let me see what it says. Throw this water resistant jacket on when you need an extra layer on a rainy day. This is adorable. I really like this. So it says out of the office with the same Pusheen sunglass one that was in the beginning. So overall, I don't know how I feel about this box. It was cute. I like the pop vinyl. I like this. I like the yoga towel mat thing. That was good. So those three items that are really, really nice. The socks, I don't really like. I don't wear that, but that's always up to personal preference. I like this little key thing. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but even if you just like don't use it as a key holder, you just put it down somewhere like on a shelf, it looks really cute. And I love clouds. So those three items I think are the standouts. The plushies I like. I just don't like them all to be the same exact size, but it does make sense given the size of the actual box itself. So I'm happy with this. It could have been way worse, honestly. That's it for my Pusheen video. Let me know if you have a Pusheen box subscription and what you think. Or there's an ice cream truck. Can you hear that? That's not me. Sorry. I'm trying to wait for it to leave, but it's not going anywhere. So maybe it's a sign that I should get ice cream. Thank you so much if you made it to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye.